Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys all know, or may not know, I go to Chico State and I'm gonna be moving back this Friday. Today's Monday. So I got 4 days to literally do a bunch of things before I have to leave. As you can tell, I'm in my car right now and my eyebrows are disgusting. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but they are so gross. And my eyebrow place opened up and I made an appointment, so I am here. I have like 11 minutes left until I have to go inside, and we can't be inside waiting, so I have to be out here. I have my mask. They are requiring you to wear one if you go in there. Oh my god, there's someone right next to me and it's kind of awkward. Anyways, I'm just waiting here and I decided to start the intro for the video. Might as well. So I have a list here that I made of things that I need to do. Let me just wait for that person to walk away. Okay, they left. Anyways, so this is the list of things that I want to get done before I have to move back to Chico. So the first thing I have to do is to do my laundry, so that way when I get over there I don't have to worry about doing laundry for a while. Next thing, my car is super dirty. I haven't washed it in like maybe a month or more, so that's also part of the list. Another thing is doing my eyebrows, which I'm about to do. Next thing is getting my hair done. My hair has grown out so much. It's been like a little bit over a year since I've done my hair, and I made an appointment. That's gonna be on Thursday. The next thing is obviously to pack everything up. And then the last thing that I have on my list, which should actually be the first thing on my list, is to do my final. I am taking a summer course right now, and this is the finals week of the course, and all I have to do is write an essay, and it's due tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow at 11:59. I'm thinking I'm gonna get it done today so I can just get it over with and then move on with the rest of the stuff I have to do. So that's the plan. Also, it's really hot. There's like a breeze coming in, so it's like helping. But ever since I got out of my house, my upper lip is like sweating, and I don't know why. Like my upper lip never sweats, and I don't know what's going on. All right, well, I just wanted to make this little intro. I'll update you guys once I have my eyebrows done. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm sure you guys have been wondering what I've been up to since I got home. Well, I stared at my face for like 5 minutes because I was just in complete awe at how beautiful my eyebrows were, and I just felt like a new woman because I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a really long time. So, you know, I was just fascinated. But then I started looking at my bed and it started to call my name, and you know,
I laid down.
And then I turned on my TV and I started to watch a movie, and then I fell asleep during the movie, and then I woke up like 30 minutes later and I was like, okay, I need to get up and I need to start working on my essay. And so I got my laptop, and instead of typing the essay, I started to watch YouTube videos on my laptop. And then I realized, you know what, I need to stop procrastinating. I realized that being on my bed isn't gonna help me do that. So I decided to come here on my desk, bring my laptop, and just focus on this and get it done. Because see, the thing is, I struggle so much with typing essays. Once I finish them, I usually get good grades on them. It's just the process of typing the essay. I just don't know how to make things flow, and I struggle with coming up with the next sentence. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I just struggle a lot with getting my ideas onto a typed paper. That's why I procrastinate a lot when it comes to essays. But I'm gonna try and do it. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys whenever I'm done doing this, because I told myself that I'm not gonna get out of this chair until I am done. So let's see how long it takes. It's currently 12:47 p.m. and who knows when I'll see you next. Yay. Hey guys, I'm back. The lighting has obviously changed. My shirt has obviously changed. The reason for that is because a lot has happened since the last time I spoke to you. Well, kinda. I'm kind of scared to tell you guys what time it is, because I know that the last time I spoke to you guys, I said it was like almost 1 p.m. Well, it is 7:19 p.m. right now, so it's been like 7 hours since the last time I spoke to you guys, and I barely finished my essay. It didn't actually take me the full 7 hours of me sitting here and working on my essay. About 2 hours into me working on this, my parents asked me if I wanted to go to the gym with them, and I was like, sure, why not? I could use a break. So I went to the gym with them. We were there for about an hour. We came back, and then this is the embarrassing part.
I took a nap.
It was very needed though, so you know, as soon as I woke up I was very refreshed. I was just very focused after that, so in a way it helped, okay? Please don't judge me. Point is, I finished my essay, I'm going to turn it in, and I will officially be done with my summer course, so
That's exciting.
also, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else from my list. I managed to do 2 things, so that's progress. I did my eyebrows, so check on that, and I did my final, so check on that. I was going to do laundry today, but my sister, she's doing laundry, so I think I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. I think I'm gonna call it a day from following this checklist, and I'm just gonna take the rest of the day to relax. So I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Actually, it's 12 already, so it's technically the afternoon. So the only thing I've done so far is put my laundry into the washing machine, as you guys already saw. I've been watching YouTube videos this whole time. Not a surprise, I'm a huge procrastinator. But I started to think about all the stuff I have to pack, and I'm starting to panic. It's not like a lot, but like I'm stressing on what to start packing and what not to pack yet. It's Tuesday, so I only have 3 days. I don't know, something just came over me and I'm stressing all of a sudden. I have these 2 huge containers that I used last year to pack a lot of my stuff in those, and they're currently behind this wall right here. I've been using them as like a little nightstand, and I'm gonna take those out and look through the stuff that I have in there, because I did leave a lot of things in there from when I moved back to Sacramento, just so I can have them already like ready for when I do move back to Chico. So I'm gonna look through those, see what I already have, see if I need to go buy some stuff, and move on from there.
Got my umbrella and I got my raincoat, and I'm ready for some lightning.
Hello. It is 3:19.
My room is a mess.
I've kind of packed some things, and I've kind of been decluttering my room in general, just because I am going to be taking most of my furniture with me. So I want to look through everything and throw things away that I'm no longer going to be using or that I no longer want. It's giving me a lot of stress and anxiety just seeing everything all over the place, but I feel like I've made some type of progress. Let me just show you guys a little view of everything. So this is the mess that I have in my room. It's freaking crazy. I'm saving this corner over here for the stuff that I have already fully finished packing, and then everything else is just either trash or stuff that I need to finish packing. Yeah, it's just a big mess, but hopefully I will figure it out soon. I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is do the rest of my laundry. I'm gonna organize this mess, and then I'm probably gonna take a break and then wash my car later when it cools down, because right now it's like 100 degrees outside. And then I think I'm gonna call it a day, and then tomorrow I'll figure out what else to do. Hey guys, long time no talk. Actually, this is the first time that I talk to you guys all day, and it is 3:59 p.m. As you guys saw, I did do some packing earlier, and that's pretty much all that I've done so far. I'm not really gonna go into detail as to why that is. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna start packing all the clothes in this dresser. I pretty much just need to do this and then just pack up all of my decor pieces all over my room. All of the heavy lifting will be done on Friday because that's when we're gonna be actually putting my furniture into my dad's truck and, you know, moving. One thing that I'm worried about though is this dresser. I've had it for probably, I don't know, like 4 years. I'm just guesstimating here, I don't really know. But almost since I bought it and built it, it's never really been built right, I guess. I don't know what happened. I followed the directions and it's falling apart literally. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here on these edges, they're not fully connected. And when I open the drawers, they just like, well, that one was a bad example. I think this one is the one. See how it doesn't close? Like, I have to, like, lift it up. There we go. That was a workout. You guys see these gaps here? And then this one, it literally, like, is falling apart. I don't know if it was just a bad product or if I didn't build it right, which I feel like I did. Maybe I put too much clothes inside of it. I don't know. But point is, it's falling apart, and I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way to Chico. Hopefully it does. Ooh, it's so freaking hot. Alright, so today is Thursday. It is my last full day of being here in Sacramento before I move. And right now, I got ready, and I am gonna go to the bank to get my cashier's check. I'm gonna bring it back home just to make sure that it's safe, and then I'm gonna go to my hair appointment. Yeah! I guess I'll see you guys later on. Good morning. I'm so sorry if I seem a little bit like out of it. I literally just woke up like 3 minutes ago. My dad came into my room and woke me up and was like, hey, do you want to start packing everything up into the truck? And I was like, sure. Also, I didn't even talk about my hair yesterday. I barely even vlogged. But yeah, I got my hair done. I'm like so in love with it. It definitely needed to be touched up because it was so grown out. So I am very happy with that. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little intro and let's get to packing. Hey, so my room is completely, well, almost completely empty. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a freaking echo in here. This looks so weird. Let me show you guys. Alright, so this is what my room looks like now. As you can tell, I did leave some stuff here. It's just some car lights that I'm not going to be using right now. Some stuffed animals that I can't manage to let go, but I don't want to take them with me because it's just too much. And then just some pieces of furniture that I decided not to take just because it'll take up too much space. But yeah, it looks so freaking empty. It's just so freaking weird.